Welcome friends, welcome to Flavors by Amit. Today we are going to make sticky date cake. It's very easy and simple recipe. Ingredients we need: 1.5 cup of self-raising flour, 3 eggs, 75 grams of butter, 1.5 spoon of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, and the main ingredient we need is date. I soaked the date day before overnight in a normal tap water. That's 250 grams of dates. You can use less. Okay friends, let's start the recipe. First, what we're going to do, we're going to boil the dates till it gets mushy. As you can see, the dates are already very mushy, so that won't take long time. So let's start the process. While the dates are boiling, we're going to do the other prep for the cake. Okay friends, let's start the other process. 3 eggs, one cup of sugar, 75 grams of butter, we're going to mix everything together. Now we're going to add the self-raising flour. Okay friends, as you can see, the dates are boiled. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this one off and we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And we're going to mash this one with the help of the spoon. You can use the blender as well if you want to, but I'm gonna use the spoon. It's much easier. It's so easy to mash because we soaked it overnight, so it's nice and soft. What we're going to do, we're going to let this mixture cool down a little bit before we add into the cake mix. I'm going to mix this one into the cake mix we prepped earlier. So let's get started. We're going to mix this mix into the cake mix we prepped earlier. You don't need any whisk to mix this one. You just mix it with your spoon, and once it's fully mixed, we're going to put this one into the cake mold. Now it's mixed properly. Here's the cake mold I organized earlier. I put the grease paper lined up all the way. And now we're going to pour this mix into the cake mold. Tap it bit. And now we're going to bake this one on 160 degrees for roughly an hour. We'll check after an hour if you need more time. Okay guys, cake is ready. We're going to let it cool down this one before we cut it. Sticky dead pudding. Okay friends, let's see how the cake comes. Wow, that looks so nice. So moist. Okay guys, the cake is ready. Now we're going to serve this one with the butter scotch sauce. And a dash of cream. There you have it, a sticky date cake, or you going to call it sticky date pudding. Enjoy.